Welcome to the latest review of ActiveCollab updates. In this recap, we'll show you the improvements we made to the People page and how the subtasks are now integrated throughout the mobile and web app. Stay tuned to discover the details. ActiveCollab 8 People page. We've enhanced the People page so you can find who you're looking for swiftly. In ActiveCollab 8, you'll be able to filter everyone by company, role, and team. You'll also be able to sort the list by name, company, role, or invitation date. This way, the team member or client whose contact you need will be found in just a few clicks. We've made the changes visible in real time and improved the way you can invite people. You'll be able to define their role right away, invite them to one or more projects, define their capacity, and set up their preferred language. The invite can be sent with a personalized welcome message so you can greet new people properly. And when it's time to remove someone from your account, you'll have the option to assign their tasks to someone else or leave them without an assignee. This feature is already available to all those included in the Early Access program. ActiveCollab 8 Subtasks. In our previous recaps, we talked about subtasks and how we've been integrating them throughout the app. Now, they've become visible on Workload, the Timeline view, and the mobile app as well. This is a highly requested feature that will hopefully help managers plan ahead more accurately. Coming up, we're working on a brand new feature, a dashboard that will let you overview all your projects and tasks in a single spot. We'll also start enhancing the estimates. Keep following our channel for more updates.